not much of a paddle wheeler, is it? They say it's waterproof. That doesn't mean it goes very well in the water. But I have an idea. Check this out. All right, with the magic television and a really awesome 3D printer, haha, we got this. Let's see if it works. Poo noodles, 3D printer. Ugh. C-word. All right, we have like 0 steering. I can kind of see it. Going forward. All right, let's see what happens when we nail it. Let's see if we nail it the other way. No, no self-recovery. Try forward again. No, no self-recovery. Now let's see how it does as amphibious view. Because at least it stays afloat. It's not the best boat. Let's try to get it on land and see what happens. Oh, she's going. I have a good feeling I'm going to destroy a servo here. It looks like a Loch Ness monster in the water. Okay, she ain't no amphib, so back in the lake. Dun it, dun it, dun it. You nail it, it just goes down, it doesn't even go forward. You just creep on it and paddle wheel. All right, let's see how far we can take it out, because why not? Let's try to touch the shore on the other side for a true test of the ARRMA kind of amphib. Go, little laker, go. Oh, let's get into some deep water. That's like scale depth, like probably 50, 60 feet. Can she do it, or does Brad have to go swimming? Kind of scale if the tires were black, going that slow. This just looks like an RC car. But yeah, it was originally designed for the round pool noodles, and I stumbled across these diamond ones, or star power as my buddy Ryan would say. Let's try to back onto the beach here. Maybe we'll be a cool guy with this. But anyways, I'm gonna put these STLs up. They're currently 17mm hexes. You could cut them. I'll put a set of 14mm hexes up, print them whatever length you want. It fits a 30mm pool noodle, and that seems to be the pool noodle that's a popular size for everyone. But yeah, so I already printed these for the round, and then I found the stars. And or else we're getting on the shore. All right, can amphib ARRMA get onto the beach and back off. We should be doing this like on June 6th or something. Oh, that's full reverse. She ain't doing it. Instead of Omaha, let's try Utah Beach. I have a feeling this is going to go all bad for me, and I'm going to go swimming. Never mind. Bringing her back. Swim, little ARRMA, swim. Cheering with these lame ass songs there, buddy. At least it's water cooled right now. And by the way, when you guys are doing this, unplug the fan out of the ESC so the splash doesn't feel that little fan. You got plenty of water cooling. So let's bring her back across. Unfortunately, kind of got maybe if you lived like in a swampy yard or something like that, and you wanted like super flotation. But even with star power, with the round ones, I was going to print little paddles. But the star power has actually got more flotation per inch of length, and they got paddles built in, so it's less weight you got to add, less time to print. But yeah, it's fun. It's neat. Should we do it? Should we do it? Should we do it? That's ARRMA Tough, baby. These things are truly waterproof, and so far it seems to be fairly Brad-proof. I've abused the heck out of this thing, and it's like 110, 112 out right now. That's why we're playing in the water. But even on the street doing high-speed runs, all I've managed to do is throw the tires out of, like, pizza cutter them big time, and then they end up ripping, so I got them all shoe glued up. Anyways, folks, I think that's going to be all for today. Set that camera all the way to the side, right in the middle. As soon as I give it to Michael to give it a run, the battery died. Like, subscribe, leave a hate comment. I really don't care.